Hey guys, how are you today? My name is Hati and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can make $1,000 per day with Instagram. So keep watching, don't be lazy, don't close the window, don't close the YouTube, just watch this video because this can be a life changer, an amazing opportunity for you for today to start your own business, digital business, and make a lot of money. So today I'm gonna show you how to make that money, but you can make more or less. All of this depends on you. Okay, let's keep going. How much followers should you have? Nobody cares about your followers because we already saw a lot of 1, 2, 3, 5, 10 million followers. I mean, there are already a lot of people who just get a lot of followers, and it's nothing new. 1 million followers, just nobody cares. With your 100 followers Instagram account, you can beat 100,000 followers account. So if that's interesting for you, keep watching. First, you need to find who are your targeted audience. I mean, let's say you are a gamer, so your targeted audience should be people who loves gaming. And if you are a gamer and you play, let's say Fortnite, so you just need to find people who likes Fortnite. So if you play something else, you just need to find people what they like and you like too. So the main question is here, where are they landed? So there is a Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Instagram. And Facebook is very nice platform to outreach, but it's very general. You can use this, but not for this time. So LinkedIn is good, but it's more about professional. Facebook and YouTube is good, but Instagram. Instagram is very, very, very amazing platform to win this year. So then you need to find your offer. You should decide you sell product or you sell service. So the service can be anything that you can help them with. So first of all, you need collaboration to build communication, and then you need to give free value and know what they like. For example, if you give free lesson to somebody and they tell you what they want to know more, then you can find what to offer, and then you can offer this and make sales. And remember, sales are not selling, so it's nothing wrong to be or sell something because you are in the business, right? So how to build conversations? First of all, you should build relationships because it's more important to. It's like imagine how you react about getting messages and offers from strangers. So it's more easier if you get offers from people you know, and just be a huge supporter. I mean, support a lot to the people who are your targeted audience and potential customers, and listen more than you speak because when you speak a lot, you look like a hard seller, and you should avoid hard selling. So when you listen more than you speak, you are a soft seller. So you made more sales, and that's pretty amazing. And also be real. Don't say that I just, let's say you are a YouTuber and let's say I just built my YouTube in 1 month when you just spent 2 years on building it. So be real. Nothing is you should not lie. Nothing is bad or good to say. Everything is very right and wrong. So be real. And then after all of this, you can offer your service or your product. So three amazing places to transfer your potential customers is first of all Calendly.com in order to hop on the call with them. And when you get on the phone, you just offer your a service or product and they just buy. It's how it works. So the second one is a messenger bot, and it's an amazing opportunity for 2020 because it's new trend, and you just create a messenger bot, and I will make a video about this in the future, and you just make sales with messenger bots because you do automated messages, you send a lot of value and then offer by the robot. I mean, you can spend 1 day to manages and schedule it, and the bot will do work of the next 1 month. That's amazing. And also you can land your potential customers on the website landing page, because website is not an amazing option, a number one option for today, but website still works in order to get people's attention, hop on the calls, and make sales. Also grab their emails. Um, how to sell. Your main mission is to schedule a call with the potential customers and nothing more. Your mission is not to get a new follower. Your mission is not to be well known, or your mission is not to get a lot of support messages. Your mission is to schedule a call with the potential customers in order to make sales. So show them your expertise, reliability, your goal, and have fun with them, because if you are making just random sales scripts and you are calling and you don't have any motivation, and you just make them feel like robots or just random prospects, that's not working. So have fun with them and be real. So tell them that it's limited offer, because when they are on the phone, they can tell, oh, okay, it's amazing, but I will check it tomorrow. Okay, it's amazing, but I don't have money, and I will be back next week. But the truth is that not a lot of people come back later, because it's just excuse to stop the call, or stop the messages, or stop the conversation. So you should tell them that it won't be available in the future. It's an amazing opportunity for them. It's a limited offer, it's limited time for limited time, and just tell them that you are giving them a discount. Because when you tell them that you give them discount, their brain starts, oh my god, it's discounted, I need to get this. So you make sales easier. So now, who am I? My name is Hati. Actually, Hati Petv. Actually, I am a founder of digital marketing agency called Digital Booster. My vision is to elevate your vision, and I am going to give a lot of free value on YouTube and my Instagram. So please subscribe for more, and also follow me on Instagram for more daily stories and posts. And also, sorry for stupid sounds around me. My dog is sleeping next to me, but no worries. Let's keep it going. So, the last part is to click the subscribe button and the ring bell, because I believe in you guys, and I just know that the more you work, more you put time, more failures you get, more dedicated you are, more knowledge you have, more success you get. So I'm going to give all of this to you on my YouTube channel, and please click on the subscribe button, or if you can, please share this video to your friends. And one last thing that I want to tell you today is to actually have content maker planner in order to produce content for your future business on Instagram. I said it's not necessary to have a lot of followers. 100 followers is absolutely amazing to start, but you need to create content. So I'm gonna show you Gary Vaynerchuk, and this is a free ebook. I mean PDF file to get it and learn how to make 64 pieces of content in a day for your social media. And you can scroll down. I don't want to scroll down because it can cause copyright issues, but you can scroll down and see how to produce your content for Instagram. So I hope this video was very valuable for you, because you need to have an idea to actually grab a new idea and go all the way and build your online business. So thank you for watching. Click the subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.